In this video, we will go over how to download and install your Smart PSS software on your Windows PC or laptop. Navigate to your email and locate your Introduction Smart PSS email from Alpha Video Surveillance. When you open your email, you will find a short introduction, a link to download your Smart PSS software, and a file attachment containing your properties camera views. For now, click on the link in your email to download your software and a browser will take you to the download portal online. Once the portal loads, click on the Windows icon and a save box will appear. Save the install file onto your computer and the file will begin to download. Once the download is complete, locate the file on your computer and double-click it to start the install process. A Smart PSS install window will appear. Choose your preferred language and then click Next. In the next window, be sure to uncheck the box that says Storage Service and then click Next. On the next window, it will tell you where the file will be installed on your computer. Go ahead and click Next on the window and the install will begin. Once the install completes, click Finish and a new window will load asking you to create your password. Create your password and then be sure to check the box under the last input field that says Auto Login after registration. Then click Next. The software will ask you to create 3 security questions. Fill out your answers and then click Finish. Once completed, the software will load and you will be greeted by a blank page listed as Devices. You have successfully installed your Smart PSS software onto your Windows computer. Feel free to contact Alpha Video Surveillance Tech Support if you have any questions.